A teenager was pursued driving over 100 miles per hour before this frightening crash. Police in Humberside, England released video of a high-speed chase through the East Yorkshire countryside. They say a 19-year-old behind the wheel of a Ford Fiesta took a joyride that could have taken lives. The driver swerved dangerously between lanes as police pursued his vehicle. But a swerve at the wrong time sent this compact car slamming into a 29-ton truck, then ricocheting back off of the police car. Authorities rushed in to save the drivers of the speeding car and the truck. Fortunately, the truck driver and the police officer only had minor injuries. The 19-year-old was in a coma for 4 days following the collision that took place in July 2022, and according to police, he is still recovering. This week, the driver was given a 12-month prison sentence, but he avoids jail time because the sentence was suspended for 2 years. A judge also banned him from driving for 2 years. He'll have to take an extended driver's license test before he gets that privilege back. This is Inside Edition Digital.